Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to update Visual Studio Code. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Visual Studio Code tutorials. Let's get into it. First, ensure that you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. Keeping Visual Studio Code up to date is important to ensure you have the latest features, security updates, and bug fixes. Fortunately, updating VS Code is a straightforward process. Visual Studio Code generally checks for updates automatically and will notify you when an update is available. But if you want to manually check for updates, here's how you can do it. On Windows, go to the top menu bar and click on Help, then choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, VS Code will download it and prompt you to restart the application to apply the update. On macOS, go to the Visual Studio Code menu in the top menu bar and select Check for Updates. Similar to Windows, if there's an available update, it will download and prompt you to restart VS Code to install the update. On Linux, VS Code doesn't automatically update. You'll need to manually download the latest version from the Visual Studio Code website and install it over your current version. After updating, you might need to restart Visual Studio Code for the changes to take effect. This ensures you're using the most current version with all the new features and improvements. And there you have it. That's how you update Visual Studio Code. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Stay updated, and I'll see you in the next video.